Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the Vivobarefoot Geo Court, which is a newer sneaker from Vivobarefoot. I've had mine for about 6 months and I've been wearing them regularly. They're one of my favorite new shoes. They're super versatile. You can wear them with everything and they seem to be holding up really well. Right now they only come in leather, but they do have plans to release canvas versions later this year if you're looking for a vegan option. I like the leather because it's really easy to wipe clean and it looks a little bit dressier, so you can wear it with a lot of different outfits. It comes in both men's and women's. It's $150 at full price. You can get 10% off with my code, which is Anya's Reviews VB, as in Vivobarefoot. So the sizing wise, the Vivobarefoot Court is a closer fit, and it did feel a little bit stiff to start. So if you've tried it and it felt too close around your ankle, they do break in. It takes a few weeks, but mine broke in really well, and then they stopped rubbing around the ankle. They have a removable insole and a padded collar, so you get a really secure fit, and they're made on a new extra sticky outsole. Check out my full review of the Vivobarefoot Geo Court linked in the caption, and follow me on Instagram for all things barefoot.